We are out here for the Team A.K.O.M.
And it's hot.
Photo shoot. Kev rocking that new pink A.K.O.M. imports hat, baby. It bring out the color of his eyes. Look at that.
Yeah, you ain't see the shoes though. They go.
Ooh.
They go.
Look at that, boy. Ultra Club. He part of that Ultra, baby. What's up? It's duplicated. We are out here on the grounds, getting right. Thanks to Jared today for giving us this awesome spot.
Don't forget Mandy.
This awesome spot. And Mandy, Mark 1 Mandy. Look at Big Mo. Like, look like he looking at something. Look at, well, you know the camera on you, man. Stop playing around. We got Devon out here. Ooh. Got the fam out here. Look at Journey. Looks so happy today. Team A.K.O.M. photo shoot. We got my main man Carl Dyer out here taking care of us today. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you.
No problem. You gotta get a fried chicken.
Mandy fresh down from Kentucky, y'all. That purple is so pretty. Ooh. Tag team champions of the world, baby.
Feels so good.
We got my boys out here.
Hey, if y'all don't have
got
pets,
water
bro,
balloons.
reusable water balloons, bro. Like
They magnetic. They yeah.
You just go back, put some more water in it.
Bust on his head.
Right here.
They're busting his hand.
What you got, bub? What you got right there? You caught a fish? Or you caught a car?
Yeah, gotta go.
Beautiful, y'all. Team A.K.O.M. photo shoot going on right now, baby. Right now as we speak. Florida photo bomber. Tell them, Carl. This how we do it. Get all them cars in there. All them cars in there. Right?
Are you ready?
nobody. I don't know who is who. Coming through with that Lancer Evo. I got the Supra 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle, all kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that